Vacation. Is that where you go and work the entire single time that you're there? Yeah, I think it is. So, I'm on vacation, and my garage door stopped working. This is the working one. I was just trying to figure out the difference. And I found this on top of just sitting on top of the other garage door. So I counted, it's 10 over, and I'm gonna stick this on the other garage door because when one's on vacation, you fix things. It is my house though, so just enjoying the gorgeous weather. Other than that, and I was playing on the John Deere. I love this thing. Anyways, kind of worked on my bonsai tree. I don't know if I can, it's really bright out. So, man, I'm telling you, it is gorgeous. Got a, man, it's bright. I've been over in the shade working. I still have this. We had this buried, and then the next day, well, this is the propane tank for the house, and we had it buried, and the next day we got an offer on the house. So, works for me. Let's see, and just, man, this house is so much nicer than the one in Colorado. Well, that's what happens in a society where you got to go where the job is. There's my lake. I'm gonna miss walking on this in the wintertime when it would freeze over. I have some really wicked pictures of those days, standing pretty much right about there. Used to have the fountain here until I guess the minks chewed off the cord. I had to take the fountain out. That was nice. It was a really neat. I made it out of some PVC pipe. And there's my gorgeous house. Tell you what, looks nicer now than when we moved in. I mean, not the brickwork, that's the same. Oh, I'm gonna miss my ginkgo. I have wanted one of these since Rothermel Hall, Kutztown University, back in Pennsylvania. There was a ginormous ginkgo tree right outside of the dormitory, and I've always wanted one, and I found this on sale. And now we're moving. Irony. And where we're moving to, I couldn't keep a ginkgo alive if I put its own stream to it. So, I'm gonna get rid of that ugly mound of dirt. Enjoy looking at the lake. I was hoping to get the paddle boat out, but because of the wildfires, I have to leave tomorrow in case they evacuate. That's what happens when you got live chickens. Don't want them to die. So, anyways, I figured I'd take one last little walk around before I leave, because I don't think I'll be ever coming back here to Illinois. It's a shame. This little oasis in the middle of this state. It's sad what they've done. Anyways. And all together, it's a sign to get out. pack up and probably leave. Like I said, have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you next time on Cheaper Than Rent.